Today we're going to be making one of my favorite things to eat for breakfast, and that's a sausage, egg, and cheese burrito on a cast iron griddle. So let's get to it. And of course, the first thing we want to do is cut us up a little bit of sausage. We'll get that started frying. Gonna go ahead and break my eggs up here. Gonna do a 3-egg burrito this morning. Add a little salt and pepper to that. Now the way I do my eggs, I don't ever add any water or milk. Some people add milk to their eggs and add water to their eggs, but I don't do that generally. I just think they cook better when you don't do that. But then again, that's my opinion. Everybody's got one, you know. So they say. But we'll get our eggs mixed up here. Get our sausage fried up. We'll let this brown up real good, and we'll be back here in just a minute. Well, our sausage is cooked up really nice there, so we're going to turn all the heat all the way down there a little bit. Give this another quick stir, and just start to pour this onto our griddle. Try to control that the best we can. Oh, this is going to be so good. Oh, yes, sirree. What I like to do at the same time is warm my tortilla up, get it a little soft and pliable. Get us a plate here. Now generally what I like to do is put my cheese down on my tortilla first, and we're going to put a good little amount of cheese on that because we got a 3-egg breakfast burrito here. Alright, let's turn that heat down, and then I'm going to show you how I roll this baby up. Grab the sides like this, pull them over, and just twist it up like that right there. And there's a sausage, egg, and cheese burrito, folks. It's that simple. I'll leave a link for this cast iron griddle. You can't beat these, man. They're perfect on a gas stove. I just love them. And so there you have it right there. Sausage, egg, and cheese burrito. You can't beat that. You know what? The only thing I forgot to do was add a little bit of salsa to it, but it's going to be just fine. I'm telling you right now. Hey, YouTube's left a video right here for you guys, or right here, one of the other places I can't ever remember. We'll see you guys over there. We're going to enjoy our burrito. Y'all have a great day. We'll see you. It's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron.